In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove MDM from Samsung A05 using the box F64. Now you have to identify, just as I'm doing now. After identifying, backup user, create any folder of your choice where you can back up your security files. I have created folder 4 where I want to save my security files. Now I'm backing user partition. It needs some time to finish backing up this file. It is a big file, 1 GB. Remember, you have to choose 1 GB. You have to choose 1 GB before you back up this file. Let's wait. Let's give it some time. It's a big file. You have to back up user, boot A, boot B, and ext. This is very, very important. Don't forget, before doing anything, back up those files. As you can see, user is backed up. Now we go to boot A, save, the same folder, folder 4, boot B, save, in the same folder 4, ext, backup, in the same folder, the same folder, folder 4, save, done. Now we have to short RST, then boot the phone in boot mode. As you can see, it has to bring 000. As you can see, 00. Make sure it bring 00, then choose FFU, select full factory reset, then write FFU. It needs some patience to finish writing FFU with full factory reset. As you can see, it is working. Give it some time to finish. Done. As you can see, we have succeeded writing FFU. Now identify. You would now go to partitions. As you can see, it has 3 partitions: user, boot A, boot B, and ext. You have to restore those backed up files: boot A, boot B, user, and ext. As you can see now, I've finished restoring boot A and boot B and ext. Now it's writing user. Make sure you check if your device is boot enabled after this step. Let's finish this step and check if the phone is boot enabled. It needs some patience to finish restoring these files. We are now restoring user 1 GB. These files contains security files like IMEI, SN, and certificates. Please make sure you restore those files. That's why it is very important to make sure you first back up those files. As you can see, we are almost finishing restoring user. Yes, now we have done restoring those files. Now identify. After identifying, please erase persistent and param. Erase persistent and param. After finishing this step, go to partitions and erase persistent and param. Then write SecEFS, as you can see, and restore persistent also, as well as app param. Restore those 3 files. As you can see, the phone is boot enabled. Write those 3 files, and now we are done. Disconnect the phone, put the phone on, and when the phone powers on very well, connect it back. Now I have already connected. Now I'm identifying. Now you have to go to FFU, then you restore FFU with smart patches. Enable smart patches. The first time we enabled full factory, now we have enabled smart patches. This is very important, don't forget. As you can see, we are done. Make sure you first turn on the phone, disconnect the phone, turn it on, then connect it back, write FFU with smart patches enabled, then identify, just as I'm doing now. Identify. We are done identifying. Now use RPMB key, then read. Make sure you tick use RPMB key, then read RPMB key. As you can see, it is done. Now identify. As you can see, identify. We are done. Now write RPMB. Hope you have RPMB. This is edited RPMB. Write it. Make sure you follow all these steps closely. Don't miss any step, because when you miss any step, you won't be successful. Now disconnect the phone and write official firmware, then unlock bootloader. Unlock bootloader using download mode with volume up button, then flash MDM file. You are done. The phone is permanently unlocked. Thank you.